All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the on time, on target play of the day. We have 5 seconds to the market open on today, Monday, August 30th. Here's the opening bell. All right, have the futures up. We have neg long, which you can see 7%, IDEX long 6%, and then we have SAVA over here, which is a lawsuit story. So we're going to kind of zoom in on that. That's kind of where I want that first. So this is this is going to be a stab. This is moving so much. We want this to back up, and then we're going to take it to the downside once it establishes the high of the day. So if it's 55, you can see already that you should be entering here at 54.50. You have no assurance this early on whether the top is in on this, even though it sure looks like it is. So we're going to just have to let SAVA chill out for a second. All right, IDEX was the acquisition. So again, smaller price point. See, if you stabbed in there, you'd already be back out. So just kind of have to let SAVA go for now. All right, and then this is selling off a little bit. So again, to get looking at about a 5 cent, maybe 4 cent point here. I kind of like that double bottom. So it'd be 244 long if 240 holds. I like SAVA better to the downside, but just the end, we're not going to be able to cover the high of the day. There's just no way you can cover that. So let's take it at, we use a 50-cent stop at 53.80 if it hits. Okay, just set a new high of the day. So 54. And again, we're not covering the high of the day, which we like to do. This is where you get your best entry on occasion. 54.50 to the downside. $55 to the downside. Again, it's a 50-cent stop. So we're going to be back out of this almost as soon as we're in it. So holding out for that 55 and this thing reverses. If you wanted IDEX long, you'd already be in it. That's not super good out there. All right. 55. That's striped right through it. Don't do anything yet unless you auto-filled it in here. It's going to have to do a dollar stop. I'll probably end up missing this. But man, that was a $3 candlestick right there. All right, 55. We're going to go 54.50 to the negative, to the short side. So again, I like this short. Let's go 55 short. Again, it's going to be a 50-cent stop. We're trying to catch this on the way down. Okay, neg never ended up doing anything. IDEX didn't really do anything. Market's kind of creeping higher. We're waiting on SAVA short on a lawsuit story. All right, here we go. Waiting for 55. Wait for there's 55. So you're in at 55. Nice entry there. Again, 55.50 is the stop. So it's a tight stop. And we're already back out. We may be back out here already. So 54, 53.50, you're already back out of it. So book your trade. There's a 3R trade right there. Didn't even get the things drawn. So yeah, that's why you're waiting on it like that. And thanks for your patience. But this thing backed up so far. We waited there to take it at 55, and then boom, 54.50 is 1R. Just draw these in here to complete the chart and close out the trade. Then you have 2R, and then you see it just stripe down like that on plenty of volume. So anyhow, so in at 55, out at 53.50 at a 50-cent stop. Again, beautiful setup this morning. So nice trade. All right, screen sharing's paused. Oh, that better be on there. Stop share. Okay, I'm going to close this out again, just in case we didn't catch it. We watched it go all the way up to 57. We waited till it got here at 55 as our entry point. We used a 50-cent stop. So 1, 2, 3 R's. We were out at 53.50. All this occurred in minute, minute 4 there. So anyhow, beautiful 3R trade. We'll see what shows up on the tape here. All right,